Welcome to this class in Pravesh Part 3 Explanation given by English. The Scout and Guide motto. Come on. The lesson is the Scout and Guide motto. Scout and Guide motto: be prepared. The Scouts and Guides motto is be prepared. This has to be achieved by being physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. See the pictures. He is physically strong and he is very weak. Suppose if you are a weak, you can't plan or be prepared for anything. So, physically strong and mentally awake. Always you should be ready to do anything. Suppose unhappen or future, what happening, we don't know. But for all the things, everything, we should be ready by mentally. So if you plan something, always you have to plan something, then automatically you will get the habit of mentally awake. And morally straight. See the picture, like a balance, we have to go in the straight way at any moment. At any moment, we have to follow the straight path. That is called morally straight. To be prepared in mind means that you should discipline yourself to be obedient to every order. To be obedient to every order. Whoever give the commands, what do you mean by prepared in mind? Prepared in mind means you should be ready to obey others' order. You have to make it as your habitual work. You should be ready to obey others' order, whoever it may be. Right. You should know the right thing to do at the right moment and do it. Mind, you have to set your mind. Be prepared is our motto. So as per that, you have to set your mind. See, this happen. So what should do? What is our duty next? So you should get ready. You have to think over. So that is called right thing to do at the right moment. Now this happened. What is our next plan? How to deal with it? How to approach? What is the idea? These all things should be planning in your mind. That is called mind. The next point is to be prepared in body, physically. In the last slide we have seen mentally. Now we are seeing bodily, that is physically. To be prepared in body means that you must try to keep yourself strong, healthy and active. See these two pictures. Even you should not, you have to take quickly what should do. And for that you have to plan. If you want to plan, you have to plan. You should be keep your body strong, healthy and active. Whatever it may be occur. See, what is this first aid here? How should we give? What should be taken next action? What happened? Suppose, see, this is the position now. What is the next action should be taken? Like that, we should be keep our body strong, healthy and active. This is called physically strong, healthy and active. So, in conclusion, be prepared. As a conclusion, two position, that is mind. In the mind, you should be obedient and you should plan to do right thing at the right moment, and be prepared in body. Keep your body as a strong, healthy, active. At last, what is the meaning? Physically strong, mentally awake, morally straight. I think so. You all understood. You are ready to explain this. I think so. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.